Disney's Lilo and Stitch, 2025, is the latest live-action remake of a beloved animated classic. Directed by Dean Fleischer Camp, the film stars Maya Kealoha as Lilo, Sydney Agudong as Nani, and Zach Galifianakis as Jumba. The story remains largely faithful to the original, following Lilo, a young Hawaiian girl who adopts Stitch, an alien genetic experiment disguised as a dog, leading to chaos, heartfelt moments, and a strong emphasis on family, ohana. Critics have praised the film's Hawaiian authenticity, with a stronger focus on local culture and music compared to the 2002 version. The performances of Kealoha and Agudong have been widely appreciated, particularly in their portrayal of sisterly struggles and resilience. However, some reviews note that the film lacks the emotional depth and comedic timing of the original, with certain character changes and softened conflicts making it feel less impactful. Visually, the CGI version of Stitch has been met with mixed reactions. While some find him endearing, others feel he lacks the charm of his animated counterpart. The film also features returning cast members from the original, including Tia Carrere and Jason Scott Lee in new roles, adding a nostalgic touch. Overall, Lilo and Stitch, 2025, is a reverently faithful adaptation that captures much of the original's heart but doesn't quite match its magic. If you're a fan of the 2002 film, this remake offers a fresh perspective while staying true to its core themes.